morning students, welcome back to the Social Science online classes. Okay, today we are in the new topic, the new unit. Okay, so economics. In lower classes up to 9th standard, you learned the basic category of the economics. But in this topic, it's a new one to you, and you people, like all the people of our country, we must know about this chapter. Okay, so especially it deals with the GDP. It's called as a gross domestic product. Okay, so about gross domestic product, all the details given in this topic, in this lesson. Okay. Not only gross domestic product, we are going to see gross national product, then net national product, net domestic product, per capita income, like all the categories we are going to see in this lesson. Okay, before that, I need to give you some introduction of GDP for your better understanding. Okay, GDP, gross domestic product. Okay, one of your friend, you take it as simple example. He was in abroad in some other country. Through phone, he called you and asked how are you. What's your answer? It may be your answer is I'm fine, or else no, I'm not fine. I felt some illness, whatever it may be. You can give your answer directly to your friend. Okay, the same like a different question asked by your friend. How is your family members? Okay, you can answer because you know very well about your family members. If any one of the person is affected by some illness or something, you can easily identify and openly you can tell the truth to your friend. Okay, one more question. How is India doing? The question is, how is India doing? This is the question raised by your friend from abroad. What is your answer? Listen to the question. How is India doing? Which means India is one country, but it contains of more number of population. So, what is the question? Stressed to tell now, it can, you see all the people activities included here. Can you understand? So you cannot answer simply, but you can answer. How now? Because that's the thing we call as GDP. The GDP will help you to answer this question. How, sir? Mainly the question, depending on the economic activities of the country. For example, suppose the country is doing very badly, which means economic level of the country very low. The country is doing good. What does it mean? Economically, the country is better. So the word economically. So how was the economic status of the country? Based on that, we can identify the country's growthness. Okay. So to calculate the economic growthness or economic weakness, we need to use this method we called as a GDP, gross domestic product. This will help you to answer the question of your friend. Okay, students. Okay, we'll see this. Some more example. What is GDP? Okay, so you see, you can visit one hotel. Okay, and you place an order of a cup of tea. Okay, so the cup of tea served by you. Okay, served, and you ordered 2 idlis that also served. Now you satisfied. Now you satisfied what you ordered, that it delivered to you, and you completed your breakfast neatly. Okay, now the thing calculated here, idli and tea, the two also, it's a tangible thing. You can touch it, you can feel it. Can you understand? You see, the tea prepared by someone. Okay, the idli prepared by someone. And it's served by someone to you. Can you understand? The thing served by someone to you. So these things is intangible. You cannot feel it. You cannot touch it. Can you understand? So, what are the things we saw earlier? The tea that called as goods. Okay, what we cannot feel it or what we cannot touch it, that called as service. For example, take it as one cup of tea, and this is a number of intermediate goods added here. Okay, so this type of thing is called as goods. And what is the service now? The service indirectly, we cannot directly say that, but the service also included in the cup of tea. Okay, services. Together we call it as a goods and services. So this goods and services only, they help to calculate the national income or GDP, GNP, NNP, NDP, whatever it may be. The goods and services are very important. Okay, from lower class you learn this, goods and services, but goods we know very well. What is a service? This is very important. Okay, the service also included to producing the goods. Okay, for example, now you see, take it as one iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry, making of iron and steel, or else making of some alloy things, or else whatever it may be. And the producing thing, the final thing called as goods and service, because the service added to make the goods. Can you understand? So this is about the importance of goods and services. So what is necessary for goods and services to GDP? Because the final value is added here. Final value of goods and services only added in the GDP. Okay, I will explain you later about how we calculated that, and I think this will help you to understand the category of GDP and goods and services. Okay, next.